In this guitar tutorial we'll be having a look at the C major scale, which will be 1 octave, and I'm going to do this one in Tirando. And this is part of the grade 1 guitar syllabus for classical guitar for Trinity College. So we're going to start on C, and that's going to be our 3rd fret on the 5th string right there, and we are going to move following the notes C, D is next, E, F, G, A, B, C, coming down, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Alright, let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. Right after we've done the scale, we need to play the arpeggio, and the arpeggio is up until the 5th, and it is also in Tirando. And we're going to start with the arpeggio on C on this on the 2nd string. We're going to play C, E, G, E, C. We're going to play C, E, G, E, C. So, putting them together, if you like this video, please subscribe and check out any other videos that might benefit you. Thanks for watching.